Let's learn to use the Gilder's knife and the Gilder's pad. Gilder's pad is a soft chamois covered board. It's got a little cushion to it. Here's our loose leaf gold, 23.5 carat Ducadin from Minetti in Italy. I'll just take that, and I'm just gonna lay it right down on the Gilder's pad, right? Okay, now get a little bit of wind, it's gonna move this leaf around, but you can pretty easily clean it up and get it flat again just by blowing on it. Yep, and go right in the middle, like that. Okay, now take this Gilder's knife. It's got this is a single edge with a square tip. Some of them have rounded. Some of them are sharper on both sides. I just use a single. And basically, I'll just take it, cut it, and just move it slightly, right? And I want to get little squares, so I'll just do this. There, there. So now I have my squares. I'll take my Gilder's tip brush, and they come in different sizes, essentially a 1 or 2 hair thick brush, and I often just put a little bit of Vaseline on the bottom of my hand like that, very lightly, and just tap it. Some people will use oils from their skin, but once you've got it just enough, you can go to the piece, pick it up, and then move it right to the object you're gilding.